Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to mirror image here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Mirroring an image in Canva is a simple process that allows you to flip the image horizontally or vertically. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can choose from a business, social media template, education, video, marketing, and print products. If you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design option here. And then in my case, I'm going to be using this file. Basically, there are two ways for you to be able to mirror an image here in Canva. Okay, I'm going to the photo section right here. Maybe I'm gonna be choosing something like this one, or okay, how about this one? Going to create this and I'm going to copy it. All right. Copy this. If you don't know how to copy an image, all you're gonna do is right click, copy, and then control paste or control V plus paste. All right, let's do that. Let me undo that. Control copy and then control V or click on paste. Right. Now, the next option is click on the flip section right here. And you need to flip horizontally, not vertical, because vertical is like the inverted. All right. Click on the horizontal. I see. It's like a mirror image. All right. That's one way. Now, another option is going to, if you want to flip it again, maybe like going here. You can also do with that. You see that? That's one way. Another way is add another page using the same picture above. How about we go to the photos? For example, this image right here. Okay. Container. Copy that again by clicking on Control C and Control V. And this time, what we're going to do, let's try to center. Click this and use the flip vertically, and you see you have all these as ways for you to be able to mirror an image or images here in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.